Hello out to everyone, this is the world famous here, Mr. River Rat, the troubleshooter, Borderline Amps. Today we have a Cobra 29 L2D Chrome. Put the MOSFET 520 and we put a TRB times 4. Okay. Check it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probando. 1, 2. Probando. Hola. Okay, let's see. Let's go over here. We're using a 10. Let's see if we're using a 10. Let's focus. But a 1-watt dead key. Hola. Probando. Probando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hola. About a 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Hola, hola, probando. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hola. So, let's go here to the amperes here. Hola, about 2.2 current draw. And a beautiful, beautiful Cobra 29 L2D Chrome. Hola, probando. 1, 2, probando. Hola, hola. Okay, thank you very much. 73, I'm gone. Bye.